In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Slack to OpenAI Whisper in make.com. We'll be building a simple automation that watches for audio uploaded in Slack, sends that file to Whisper for transcription, and then posts the transcript back into Slack. This is a great setup if you want to turn voice notes, meetings, or quick audio updates into readable text automatically. To begin, log into make.com and create a new scenario. Once the scenario editor opens, search for Slack and add it as your trigger app. For this type of workflow, you'll need to choose the right Slack trigger. You may see options like watching files, channel messages, or direct messages, but for audio transcription, watch files is usually the best choice because it detects newly uploaded audio files directly. Next, create your Slack connection, sign into your Slack workspace, authorize Make to access it, and then choose the channel or channels you want this automation to monitor. It's a good idea to double check that you're selecting the correct workspace and location here, since that determines where Make will look for uploads. After the trigger is in place, add a filter right after it, so only audio files continue through the scenario. This helps prevent documents, images, or other file types from being sent to Whisper by mistake. Common formats you may want to allow include MP3, M4A, WAV, OGG, and MP4. Once the file is filtered, add a Slack file retrieval step. Configure it to use the file ID from the trigger, download the uploaded audio file, and pass that file data forward to the next module. This step is important because Whisper needs the actual file contents, not just the Slack event information. Now add another module and choose OpenAI, then select Generate a transcription. This is the native Whisper transcription action inside Make. Create your OpenAI connection, enter your API key, and save it. Make uses API credentials for this authentication, so be sure your connection is active before continuing. Then configure the Whisper module by mapping in the audio file downloaded from Slack. Set the model to Whisper, use the Slack audio file as the file input, choose a language if needed, and set the response format to text. At this point, your flow is essentially Slack audio file in, Whisper transcription out. To finish the workflow, add a Slack send a message module, map the channel ID, optionally include a username, and insert the transcript text from Whisper into the message body. This allows the transcript to appear in Slack automatically, often in the same channel where the audio was uploaded. Finally, test the scenario by uploading an audio file to Slack and running the automation. Confirm that Slack detects the upload, the audio reaches Whisper, the transcription is generated, and the completed transcript appears back in Slack. Once that works, your automation is ready to use.